What's the problem? With a global population swelling and industrialization on the rise in developing nations, humanity's hunger for energy has reached unprecedented levels. The use and cost of energy affects each of us every day of our lives. Many issues arise from the use of energy: greenhouse gas emissions, as rain, climate change, dependency on depleting supplies of fossil fuels, especially from politically unstable regions of the world.
What is energy consumption? When we talk about energy saving, most of you remember being carefree children at home and the adults being in constant need to urge you to switch off the lights or the television or the washing machine. Now that you are an adult, you understand why it was important to actually do things such as switching the lights when you leave the room. We use energy for everything in the home and in the office and basically to perform daily tasks.
Waste in this category of use is also the highest globally. This can be attributed to the lack of education offered to the public on how to conserve the energy they use daily, or to the lack of energy conservation products available in the market. Most people are ignorant to the fact that there are avenues or companies and innovations available that can help them monitor and reduce the amount of energy they use. Waste in this category of use is also the highest globally. This can be attributed to the lack of education offered to the public on how to conserve the energy they use daily, or to the lack of energy conservation products available in the market. Most people are ignorant to the fact that there are avenues or companies and innovations available that can help them monitor and reduce the amount of energy they use.
What can we do? Reduce our general environmental impact. Use a power strip to reduce your plug load. To avoid paying for this vampire power, use a power strip to turn all devices off at once. Flipping the switch on your power strips has the same effect as unplugging each socket from the wall, preventing phantom energy loss. Eliminate vampire power. Unplug idle electronics. Devices like televisions, microwaves, scanners, and printers use standby power, even when off. Shut down your computer. Turn off the lights. Choose the right lights. LED bulbs are the most energy efficient lighting option. LED bulbs use 75% less electricity than incandescent bulbs.
Use clothes made of plants, fibers, and animal fur, like wool. Biking instead of driving. Use electric cars with lithium-ion batteries that are 20 times better than gasoline. And in buildings, prefer stairs over elevators. Use superconductors, better for transporting energy without dissipation.
Our conclusion is that scientists are trying to do whatever they can, like converting solar energy into chemical energy. But we need some more technological development, because nowadays it isn't enough. But first of all, we have to be the starters of the change, the examples, telling to our friends about energy consumption by challenging their bad consumption actions we have observed.